Are you looking to enable the hidden God mode feature on your Windows 10 or 11 PC? We will help you do just that. Right-click on your desktop and select New. Click on Folder to create a new folder. Rename the folder with this exact name. I put it in the description of the video. And from here, you can use the amazing God mode feature on your Windows PC. Do you want me to go through how to use it? Please tell me in the comments section. If this didn't work, you didn't name the folder the correct name. Congratulations! Now we're done with creating the God mode folder. Please make sure to like and subscribe, as it turns out that 98% of viewers aren't subscribed to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.